Compounding basically means that little actions over time lead to exponentially massive results, even if they don't seem to be producing results immediately. Which means sometimes the prospects that you are going to approach today might not buy immediately, and you might think that whatever time you spent today was a waste, but in reality, whatever whenever they buy in the future from you, it is going to be because of the efforts you put in today.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
You might think the sale closed maybe because of that month. The sale did not close because of that month. Maybe the market condition was better then, but the sale worked because of the relationship you've developed with the prospect today.
Agreed.
Like, even, in the case of exercise, when you're working out or something, you don't immediately become fit in 1 day or 2 day or 3 days or 4 days. Many times the results of what you do today are visible only after 8 months or 1 year. But if you get fit after 1 year, or if you get fat after 1 year, it is because of what you did today. Do you agree?
Yes, completely agree.
Agreed.
That is what compounding is all about. So initially, it's about pushing the boulder. Imagine right now when you're selling, it's like you're trying to push the boulder uphill. There's a very heavy stone, you're trying to push it uphill, lot of effort. Result is what? You think it's a little limited. But what happens when the boulder reaches the top? What energy does it get? For people who have studied physics, what energy does the boulder have at the top of the hill? Potential energy. Potential energy. So every effort that you're doing today, it is adding to that potential energy. Maybe you're not seeing the result today, but it is adding to that potential energy. And when the market is right, you just have to push it a little bit, the boulder, and it will destroy all competition, because it has all the kinetic energy now. But the kinetic energy happened because of the pushing that you did earlier. So whatever results you get, maybe 6 months down the line, it is not going to be the result of that month. Don't be under the impression, yes, a little bit market condition will work, third wave and all these things. Yes, all of this matter, but they will only purchase from you when you have established the relationship today.